Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Non Judgmental, sponsored by Bean Scene.
We are good with each other. We are happy family.
No, but that is very important also because
Yeah.
I was in hostel and everything. Like I came, now I'm staying with my parents back. So to maintain that kind of healthy relationship also with your parents is so important to check on each other if we all are doing all right. Because in today's thing, everything is in your hand. There are advantages also of it, but
There are
somewhere down
many
the
disadvantages.
disadvantages that is harming our own
Mental peace.
mental peace. So recently also my dad was a little very irritated for every small thing. Unka behavior, I knew it is the same, but I didn't knew ki, I could literally sense a change in his behavior, that he's very aggressive.
Frustrated or something.
Then slowly and steadily it took me some time to talk to him and make him understand that this is all right. You just have to let go things, because they come from a generation where they
Yeah.
can't let go of things. There is something constantly that is there.
Yeah.
So having family time is must.
Must.
Definitely.
सीरियसली आजकल फैमिलीज को ट्रेंड बनाना चाहिए कि पूरा दिन आप लोग कुछ भी करो, रात को हम साथ में एक टेबल पे बैठ के खाना खाएंगे बिना सेल फोन्स के, और एक दूसरे से पूछेंगे कि हाउ वाज योर डे, वर यू ओके। या एक्चुअली बताऊं, हम जैसे लोगों का तो शक्ल पे दिख जाता है दिन अच्छा था या खराब था।
ट्रू जो सड़ी हुई शक्ल लेके आते हैं।
हाँ, वी कैन नॉट हाइड इमोशंस। रोना है तो सामने रोना है, हंसना है तो भी सामने सड़ा हुआ मुंह बनाना है तो भी।
जब दादाजी गुजरे थे, I still remember, Aman bhai will get into the room, he'll cry his heart out and come out. Priya did the same thing. I did the same thing. I could notice we three. Matlab, anybody who wanted to cry, just go into corner, just weep out and come and like just stand like okay. तब मेरे को पता चला कि ये जो फैमिली ट्रेट्स है, जो जीन्स है ना, सब उधर से ही कंटिन्यूटी है. मतलब but it is very clearly visible on our face that we are not doing all right.
Yeah.
or we are frustrated and pissed about something. घर जाते हैं मम्मी पूछती है आज क्या हुआ, चेहरे देख के आज 12 क्यों बजे तेरे शक्ल पे.
That is very important. A mother should be कि ठीक है काम करना है, काम भी important है, समझ सकती हूँ. You cannot leave the work and see your child, but then somewhere your child is more important than the work. काम बाद में भी हो जाएगा, पहले अपना बच्चा देखो. तो I feel that हाँ, मैं सब कुछ छोड़ के भाग जाती हूँ कि मैं कुछ भी काम करूँ. I know Arav shouts when he wakes up, Mama, and I know he needs a glass of water. I leave everything, I fill a glass of water and give it to him. वहाँ भर के रखूँ, he does not like it. He's like, आप पानी लेकर आओ और मेरे को शक्ल दिखा के जाओ. Every morning, yeah, he has that tendency कि you come to my room, show me your face, give me a glass of water and then go back. So I leave everything, even gas भी चालू है पापा, बंद करके भागती हूँ उसके बाद.
Because after that time you can come back.
Yeah,
this
I can
moment,
come back,
yeah.
but that moment he cannot stop. Wait ना, उसको प्यास लगी है, एक मदरली पुकार होती है ना बच्चे के लिए, मेरा बच्चा प्यासा है, उसको पानी चाहिए. तो you know that does not stop you from going to him.
Agreed. So now that are you comfortable much with your daughter?
Now I'm comfortable much with my daughter about everything. I speak to her about each and everything, even about she sees those Korean series and she likes those Korean guys.
Yeah.
So one day I said, बेबो कोरियन लड़के देख के कोरिया मत भाग जाना. She searches, कि कोरिया में पढ़ाई कैसे करते हैं. She searches such things.
You should definitely take her to a trip.
I told her हम कोरिया घूमने जाएंगे. Seoul is her favorite city, तो I told her ये सब दिखाने लेके जाऊंगी, रह मत जाना वहाँ पे.
नहीं, but Indians भी मतलब ज्यादातर हम अगर हम अपनी बात करें in generally, हम ज्यादा देर बाहर टिक भी नहीं सकते because हमें अपना वापस खाना चाहिए.
She is a self-made person. वो खुद खाना बना के खा लेती. You just give her some ingredients and she's like, ठीक है, इनसे मुझसे जो बन सकता है मैं बना के खा लो. You don't worry. Yeah, she's very independent in that case. I've seen when you have a first child becomes very independent, whereas the second child is always dependable because we are making that child dependable. My daughter sent me a reel yesterday which stated, if you have an elder child, don't put pressure on her that आप बड़े हो, आप adjust करो, और छोटे बच्चे को जो करना है करने दो. A mother should never forget कि अगर आपका बड़ा बच्चा है तो वो बच्चा ही नहीं रहा, बड़ा हो गया, ऐसा तो नहीं. Even that child is a child. Don't forget that elder child is a child. don't only see the small younger child, you know. She sent me a reel and I called her yesterday. बेबो क्या हुआ, ऐसा रील क्यों भेजा आपने? She's like, मामा जब मैंने ये रील पढ़ा मुझे आप ही याद है बिल्कुल. सॉरी बेबो, अगर आपको कोई गलत लगा हो तो आगे से मैं ऐसे ख्याल रखूंगी कि आप भी एक बच्चे ही हो, बड़े नहीं.
You make any difference between a girl and a boy child?
It's not a girl and a boy child specific. When I work in the kitchen, I ask my son also to help me. I ask my daughter also to help me. Whereas my father-in-law shouts, "Why should Arav work for you?" I'm like, what the hell? Why shouldn't he work for me? If he has to stay with me, he has to work in the house. And आजकल की लड़कियां ऐसी नहीं है कि वो खुद से सब कुछ कर लेंगी. They need their husbands to be supporters. They want their husbands to support them in every work. Girls will support husbands in earning, and boys have to support girls with cleaning the household chores. Overall, everything. So I want my son also to know how to cook, how to clean, everything.
Because
I want
my
him
mom
to be...
has taught, and at times we still have arguments. Like recently, my sister is like, "ये काम तुम भैया को बोलते हो क्या?" My mom kitchen का कुछ रहा, she'll tell uncle come and help me out in this. I'll go. But कपड़े उतारने को रहा, then she pointed out, why does it only reminds you? Like, you know, मैं ही क्यों याद आती हूँ कि जब कपड़े निकालना, अपने बेटे को बोलो किसी दिन कपड़े निकालने.
This happens with the elder kids. बड़े बच्चों के साथ भी ऐसा होता है. मतलब ये उम्र भर मुझे सुनना पड़ेगा, मम्मा उसको बोलो, मम्मा उसको बोलो.
No, this still happens with us. We still fight on these things. And हम दोनों का घर पे रूल है कि एक अगर मैंने तेरा काम किया तो in return you will do me a favor.
Okay.
So we maintain it that way. Else it is always one person who's getting struggled.
Okay.
but होता क्या है, यूजुअली बड़ा बच्चा जो है वो रोब चलाता है छोटे पे. बट मेरे यहाँ पे उल्टा है. मेरी छोटी वाली जो है, शी इज लाइक अ बॉस लेडी,
बॉस बेबी. या शी इज अ बॉस गर्ल.
so every time it used to happen, so I made a rule कि नहीं, if I do your work, अगर मैंने तेरे को पानी लाके दिया, in that entire day में कभी भी तेरे को पानी लेने आके बोल सकता. तो यूजुअली कैसे होता है, अगर मैं भूल गया या वो अपनी भूल गई, and that task has to be done on that day, next day we start fresh.
Okay.
तो रात को सिंपली तू वो टास्क भी क्यों छोड़े हम, तू पानी लाके दे, पीना है नहीं पीना है सेकेंडरी.
Okay.
So we still try and maintain balance that way.
Okay. तो मतलब ये उम्र भर मेरे साथ भी चलने ही वाला है.
It's a part and parcel of.
Yeah, it's mandatory.
Abhi, it's not only about that. Anytime I'm like, abhi my sister has to go somewhere, my dad be like, कार लेके जा. वही मैं बोलूं, बसेस इतनी है, जा ना तू. So I'm like, why is this difference?
Yeah.
Then he'll be like, you can adjust. She can also adjust. If you expect us to be equal both the ways, so she also has to learn to go in bus. So my dad will be like, वो मेरी बेटी है, तो तेरी माँ का बेटा है. No, he'll tell तू माँ का बेटा है, तो तू अपनी माँ से जाके पूछ. So that happens. That's like fun conversation that keeps on happening all the time.
No, but it is important to keep on checking daughters every time. You know, we have that different kind of. Every father has a soft corner for her daughter. Once I just hit my daughter on her arm, and my husband hit me on the same arm very hardly. I'm like, मैंने क्या किया आपको? तूने मेरी बेटी को मारा क्यों? अरे, this is not the way. I'm trying to teach her something. It's like, you're not supposed to hit my daughter. Stay away from my daughter. I'm like, जान ऐसे नहीं होता. कभी कभी मारा तो क्या हुआ? आप उसके सामने ही मुझे वापस hit back कर रहे हो. He was like, कुछ भी हो जाए, you're not supposed to touch my daughter.
The same as with my dad.
हाँ ना? Dads have a soft corner.
Very big soft corner. Yeah. Huge. Their entire heart.
You have seen your dadu?
Yeah.
Having
he
a
had soft corner for you. All the girl childs.
Yeah.
Male ko he used to be a little arrogant.
Yeah.
But with all the girl childs, he has been as soft as possible. He has given everything.
Without asking.
Asking also.
Many times. Yeah.
No, I was telling it is also important to check with your son also. You know, there have been times when
they don't share much, I feel. I tried to talk to him today also. Like, कुछ problem है क्या आपको? They don't share much, you know. You just give him a mobile and he's busy with reels. He does not even want to talk to you. This is not done, yaar. I seriously am worried about my son a bit. I'm 100% confident with my daughter. I'm not even worried about her. Because I have maintained that bond with her. I'm very friendly with her. So I'm not worried about her कि हाँ कुछ भी हो जाएगा life में, she'll come and talk to me about it. We have that friendly bond. But then that's not the case with my son. I'm a bit worried now since I've come to Athni. I'm seeing him I'm really worried about him. Like, what is his problem? I'm not able to understand. He's not even ready to share anything. Is this a case with boys that they don't share?
Yes, there are most of the times when they don't share. So you need to really have an emotional bonding. मेरे को वीना आंटी ने ये बोला था that mother is your always friend. She taught me this. Usually for me it was like no. I used to be friendly, but I never used to open up to my mom about how I feel, what I feel. So that is the time when I understood and I opened up to my mother that hostel mein I was being ragged or I was assaulted for some reasons. That's why I was just adding this point that it is also important to check on your sons if they ever experience, because I feel that log aajkal itne bhare pade and we have seen all it in news that even the dogs are not excused from this. So it is also important to keep in check on your son or daughter for that matter if they're, and moreover I feel I have made this habit because I know social media to some extent, because I'm doing this, I've been paid to do this, so I have to maintain. But to some extent I believe that harms your mental peace. What is it doing? Jitna maine padha hai, when you scroll reels and when you're 24/7 on social media, that is kind of numbing how you feel from inside. So usually what happens, we tend to ignore our own emotions.
They don't express their emotions only. I'm seeing this difference. As you're telling me, मेरा इतना ध्यान नहीं था कि this is happening. But as you told me that this is numbing the emotions, I am able to see that Arav is being numb about his emotions. He is just not trying to be happy. He's always cranky, always crying.
I recently discovered this, that these things only lead to usual bigger traumas when you grow.
Yeah.
When you grow, because there is something that happened in childhood, we as a parent, I would say you might have not noticed what happened, or something might have happened in school or somewhere. You might have not noticed it, but he knows. But eventually
he's not ready to open up about anything.
You try and build that connection with him. Definitely, yeah. He will.
I'll seriously try.
No, I was telling you this, that anything that happens in childhood, you don't tend to know it. And one person told me recently, Arun, he is a life coach. I met him in Bangalore recently. So that is when he opened up, you have anything. Was there anything that you ever had in childhood that made you fearful of this? I said, yeah. Then he said, this is what has given you this big trauma. मतलब वो अंदर रख के हमें लगता है it's okay. And as we are growing, we don't even remember that at times. But when you grow, the same things are there on repeat, and that becomes your biggest fear.
Yeah.
So it is important, to
cross-check with sons
also to let their emotions flow.
Yeah. When he's crying, I'm not supposed to say, "आप लड़के हो रोते क्यों?"
No.
ऐसा नहीं. Boys are allowed to cry.
Yeah,
I told him. I read this somewhere. I read this somewhere and I called him. I'm like, you are allowed to cry, Arav. ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़के हो तो रो नहीं सकते. आपके जो भी emotions है express करो. Talk to me. He's like, नहीं मम्मा ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. छोड़ो ना, खेलने दो ना. He's small, so he just tries to escape all the time. I'll try to build a more good connection with
because
him.
Social media, literally, I am not that active anymore. I do check what's happening, what's not, but other than that, I'm not that active too, because I know the more I scroll, the more I'm losing my time also, and along with time, I'm losing myself in that.
Yeah.
So to get back on track, this is the major distraction that has to stop. Other than that, I've used phone bana kis cheez ke liye tha, to have a ease of connectivity.
Yeah.
बहुत intense talks भी हो गए. What is the bestest memory of your life ever, in your childhood, let's take?
Okay, my childhood, when I was in 12th, I had my extra class in the school. Dhruva sir used to take a maths class and science class, physics classes.
Okay.
So, I had my cousins staying here, Poonam, Rita and Sheetal.
Oh my God, I miss all of them.
We were staying here at Shobha auntie's house. Okay. And then all three used to come taking 2 Activas or something like that. They used to come one anyhow. They used to come, they used to just blow horns all the time, and sir used to come out and he saw for 2 days कि हाँ इसके cousins आ रहे हैं, horn blow कर रहे हैं और इसको भेजना है मुझे बाहर. तो from the very second day he started, बाबा तेरे cousins आए, हॉर्न ब्लो कर रहे हैं, मेरे दूसरे बच्चों को पढ़ा नहीं पाऊंगा, तू निकल यहाँ से बाहर. We used to, you know, go out. We used to go on triple seat to that Lakshmi Good. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
So at Lakshmi Temple. Sorry. We used to go there when we used to play till evening 8 o'clock, and we used to come back, have that same thing, bhel, ragda, shev
That
puri.
was mandatory.
This was the best childhood I had ever had. Like, I have these 3 cousins and we had a team. I told my cousin that day, Sheetal and Poonam, we met. I was like, मैं सोच रही थी इतनी हरामी में बनी कैसे, तुम दोनों मेरे गुरु थे, शीतल और पूनम. तो they were like, हमारी गुरु तो रीटा थी.
I still remember, like, तभी इतना दिमाग तो था नहीं, but as I grew up, I remember कि that time you like Punni Didi was like the Mufat, I would say.
Even now, you had to see her. We met at Sangli recently. Oh my God! For some time she was in the car. Karan was obsessed with her. Karan was like, Punni Didi, you're the best. I'm going to roam with you somewhere.
She's the best company.
She's the strongest person I would ever say.
True that. Sheetal Didi is kind of witty and funny at the same time. She's fun to be around. But Punni Didi, any कुछ भी किसी के साथ बहस करनी है, take her around, वो सामने वाले का
मुंह बंद कर देगी.
जब्बड़ तो
She's the best person I've ever seen. मैं वही बोली, मैं तुम लोगों को देख के ये सब सीखी हूँ.
Rita Di and Kavi Di are also very good to be around. Rita Di cracks a lot of
jokes,
adult jokes,
kind of
I would
jokes,
say.
Yeah.
Now I realize with time कि okay fine. तभी इतना कुछ समझता तो नहीं था, but now I realize. And now it is very comfortable. Like now I can openly talk.
You remember Anjali, one of our cousin from Jamkhandi?
Yeah.
Okay, her mother sent her to Athni for just 4 or 5 days. Okay, to stay with us.
Yeah.
कि cousins का bond कैसा होता है, बाबा तुम लोग भी देख लो. ठीक है, she stayed with us. When she went back home, she was like, Goody, मेरी बेटी तो बिल्कुल चेंज हो गई है. She started wearing jeans. नहीं तो कभी उसने jeans देखे भी नहीं थे लाइफ में. मेरे को तो लगता है इसको अपने साथ रख लो, अब 1 महीना पूरी चेंज करके दो मुझे अपनी daughter. She was very happy that her daughter was like, you know, open. She was talking to people. That's when I realized कि हाँ मेरे को बिगाड़ा इन तीनों लड़कियों ने.
No, it was always fun. I still miss when everybody is around. They have planned for all, like everybody's coming together in the month of May. I mean, it's already May, but I don't know when is it happening.
No, this was the sudden plan when we had SPL of Sangli. So I had a plan कि मुझे first day का function देखना है at any cost.
Yeah.
So Sheetal got ready. She had contact with Poonam, so we came together.
That's good.
हाँ, तो कार में बैठने तक भी मेरा पूनम के साथ contact नहीं था. And
I very badly want to pee. It's okay, you can say.
No, you go. We'll pause for a second.
No, that's okay. Let's finish. Wind up anyhow. I guess it's exceeding more than 20 minutes also.
Not
You were
an
saying
issue.
something.
And the best thing was being around you. I felt like I was raising a baby, you know. You and Tanya.
Yeah.
For me, you both were like, you know, my favorite kids I've ever seen since childhood. मेरे फेवरेट 2 ही बच्चे थे, एक अंकुश एंड तानिया, because you know you were very fair, very cotton kind of cotton baby, and I used to take you and roam everywhere. All my friends remember that I used to take you with them.
I remember that once we had been to your friend Sheetal Didi's home.
Yeah. Sheetal Rathod.
Yeah.
Okay.
We had been to her home once, and after that, every time there was this fixed session of us to dance here.
Yeah.
Even if it was your friends, I used to shamelessly
You used to be
dance.
with us. You were always with me. You were my shadow kind of boy, you know. We were always together. I used to always keep you with me.
I remember when you had come to drop me to Mysore for my for my education. I was crying and weeping out when you and mom left. I was like, why is this? And now I feel okay, fine. It happened for good. That today, if I'm doing something good, it's all because of everything that I've learned.
Yeah. And how much you explore, you learn everything. It's important to explore everything. Don't stop your kids कि ये मत कर, वो मत कर. It is important that you allow your kids what they want to do. Being a bit personal, my daughter wants to be a chef. And
chef.
And I always pull her leg. Chef क्या होता है? मैंने science किया है, आपको भी science करना है, कुछ तो बन के दिखाना है मुझे. तो इसलिए एक जबरदस्ती है क्या मम्मा, हाँ 2 साल
I
तेरे को
still,
साइंस करना ही
I
है.
had her brownie, and every time I ask her for brownie, she's like, "Come home, I'll get you one. Come home." Because maybe at a very young age she has found a passion for
Yeah.
baking.
Yeah.
Maybe she can do great. आजकल तो every career has a scope. Like
Scope, yeah.
पहले it was very limited. Now that doors have opened, I think you should allow her to explore. Maybe she might change her mind.
I'll try. Like me, I wanted to be a choreographer, then I wanted to be that waiter, air hostess. Later on, I always have written, college life mein I have always written I want to be a business tycoon in my life. Every, that, you know, slam books.
Sorry,
They
but
used
you
to-
ended up being a housewife.
Yeah.
No, I'm just making fun.
Yeah.
No,
हम
but you
सिंधी लोग
are
हैं, you know.
a businesswoman. Maybe
I am
you
a
might
businesswoman.
not be doing it in a front
Yeah, but
desk,
back foot
but
mein,
back
I am
you are
working like a businesswoman.
Yeah,
And
agreed.
I'm proud of myself, that they listen to my words.
advices
Yeah.
that you give.
They listen to my advices, whether it be my father-in-law, whether it be my husband, they both listen to me. Whatever they call me and ask me, give me your advice, I'm like, wow, feeling so proud. And when they listen to me and they execute, that feeling, you know, I feel very nice.
That's good. Now I guess it's better to end
Yeah,
the podcast because I
sure.
very badly want to
Thank
pee.
you.
Thank you for being here. It was lovely to have
Same
you.
here, same chat. Thank you for childhood memories.
Anytime. That's the end of the podcast, guys. And if you ever wish to be on this podcast, non-judgmental, please drop us a DM at beanscene.in on our Instagram handle. That is BEANSCENE.IN. Thank you. See you next Friday.